As it turns out, a mate of mine, Adrian, yeah, that's him, he's turned into a right wood magnet, if such a thing can exist. He's getting me calls. Jeff, I found this. Jeff, I found that. And it's great for me. And what's good for me is good for stuff. So anyway, he's found some hardwood doors. Anyway, they look hardwood because they're covered in 85,000 layers of white paint, but underneath there's some dark wood in there. Looks like oak if we're lucky. So we're going to get those things, we're going to cut those things, we're going to clean those things, and going to make stuff out of them. First thing we've got to do, go there and get them. There's some tasty looking stuff in there. Absolute classic, huh? Absolute classic. One there too. So I now have a car full of red oak from those doors, and then one piece of pine, and then the panels turned out to be chipboard. I'll use them for something, some jigs or something like that. It's all useful. Now some of you are probably thinking, why the hell did you chop up those perfectly good doors? Well, those doors were destined for the skip. They were going in the bins or even landfill or whatever. They were not going to be saved in any way, shape or form. So it falls down to me to get what I can. I've got myself a load of hardwood. Now buying hardwood nowadays, that's a rich man's game. You have to get what you can. Thank you very much, Adrian. You got me a car full. Also, I stopped chopping up the pine door, because when I cut the first piece off, turns out there's a load of hidden nails inside it, and it started to knacker up my blade. Don't want that. That's all right. I've got very good amount of wood for nix, for nothing, for nada, for free, and that'll do me always.